How to set up a website in Squarespace. So I have in here a website. You can see in here that this is a new website. So I have in here the setup guide. So let's click on the setup guide right here. And then we can see in here is the to-do list or sort of a list on how to set up the store. So there's an online store. So we have in here this. We just need to add a product. Click on this right here in order to add a product of your own. So this may take some time to load. Just name your product. So for example, let's name this bag. And then let's click on this add image option and then let's upload a file. Now in here, let's add in here a bag option or a bag upload of our product. So we have this, just click on open. Now you can add more images later. So once it's done uploading, just click on this next option and you can just add in here the price. For example, let's price it around like this. And for the stock, you can put in here unlimited stock or just the number of stock. Now click on this add more details and then just input right here the description, inventory, as well as fulfillment, and a lot more. Once you're done, just click on this save and publish right here if you want to publish it already. And now we're done with our first list. We can just next and then connect a payment processor. So click on disconnect a payment processor and you can see in here it will open the settings. You can choose between Stripe and PayPal and also Square. So click on this PayPal right here and you can just connect a PayPal or you can also connect a Stripe right here. It will open in here a new tab that will allow you to connect a Stripe account. What you can do is you can just head over and then log in from your Stripe account in order to connect those two together. Just log in right here and then you should be good to go. Now, once we're done with the connection, you can just add a fulfillment method. So for this one, you can put in here the shipping. Like you can choose in here this is the ship as well as other options like pick up, local delivery, and a lot more. So that's how you set up a website in Squarespace. Hope we helped.